Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or learning basic trading terminology, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching Roku this morning and I'm expecting some movement to the downside. Let's see what happens with the price action. I am now in Roku with 3 put contracts at $1 for a total investment of just $300. So you can see here Roku does have a wide spread here, and so I like to use a small position size when trading Roku, but even with the small position size, the gains can still be very powerful. So let's see if Roku can give us some continuation to the downside. So at this point, we're starting to see a retracement to the upside, but this retracement should be short-lived because we have clear bearish momentum on our side. And so I'm willing to give the stock some space to fluctuate, expecting continuation to the downside. am all out of the trade for a profit of just shy of $150. So this trade ended up lasting 1 hour. And so this was a longer trade for me. Typically I like to get in and out pretty quickly, but based on my analysis, I was confident that Roku was likely to give us another push to the downside, which is why I went ahead and held my position, even though it retraced back to my initial entry point. And so I invested $300 and made a profit of just shy of $150, which equated to roughly a 50% gain and a $150 profit in just 1 hour. Patience is certainly required. Sometimes these stocks aren't going to break down or break out as quickly as we would like. All we can do is perform technical analysis and look at market structure to place the odds in our favor and follow our trade plan. I hope you enjoyed this live trade on Roku, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.